Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily delete all wallpapers on iPhone. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes, write your comments. Let's get started. To do this, we need to go to Settings. Here we scroll through. Find the Wallpaper section, click on it. And we see that we have some already added wallpapers here. If we want to add some more, to do that we need to click here and select Wallpaper. Right now we have these left, but how do we delete them? It's not in the settings. You have to exit the settings completely. Now we swipe down the screen. And we see that we have all our wallpapers appear. To delete some of them, we just swipe up and click Delete. Confirm our actions. That's how easy it is to delete your wallpaper on iPhone. Subscribe to the channel, give us your likes and comments. See you next time.